here's the app called Lasta, intermittent fasting. So let's just install it and see how it looks like. This trendy new app, one of the top fasting apps out there. You can, don't wait any longer to start your journey to better health. Download our Lasta fasting app. Are you ready for a new lifestyle, body, and mindset? It's time to discover intermittent fasting for women with Lasta. So you can see all the tracker, healthy meal plans, fitness tools, mood tracker, all of that. And it's quite popular. So yeah, if you just open it up, here's how you can proceed with creating an account. You can get some notifications. And then you just can create an account. What's your gender? What's your primary goal? For example, you can just say lose weight. So for example, you can just enter your height, your current weight, target weight, for example. What's your name? And then do you follow any of these diets? When you usually have your first meal. So yeah, that's basically, you can just enter sometime here. And what's your activity level? You can lose for special occasion. And then, and then according, you can just achieve, and then you can just see something like that. And then you just getting your plan ready. So a lot of apps are using this I'm exactly seeing, and probably right now they will ask me to upgrade if I want to see exactly the plan. So then you can just create your account like that. Or you can skip without an account, but anyways, you can just continue with Apple, for example. And then, that's basically how it started. But yeah, as I've said, it was just showing, the idea that now you need to upgrade, and it's 6 months, $59.99, 3 months, $44.99. Or you can just do 1 month, $29.99 per month. It's pretty expensive, but you're not, I guess it just depends. Probably you're not fasting like every week. Or for example, if you just want to fast during spring, you can just, have this app for 2 months, or maybe then 3 months makes sense for you, or 1 month, just try it out. And then there is no free trial, unfortunately. Unfortunately, as you can see, it's not possible to continue in a free version. So there is no free version. As I've said, that's a bit of like disappointment for a lot of these apps, because it's taken a lot of time to create your personal plan, and then you need to upgrade. But anyhow, this is one of the top apps, and it's definitely worth it if you want to improve your health, all of that. So thanks for watching. Hope it's helpful.